Ate, sorry po. Okay lang. Ay, ate, teka lang yung wallet.
Assignment daw tayo sa physics. Ano ba yun?
Ay, oo pala.
Yung waves. Ano ba yung waves? Ano ba yun?
Waves is a disturbance that moves through a medium in such a manner that at any point the displacement is a function of time, while at any instant the displacement is a function of the point. The medium has no displacement.
Ah, ganun pala yun. Kaya pala. O, di ikaw gagawa din assignment? Teka lang. Ano nangyari dito? Ewan.
Iba nang nagsulat.
Hard to recognize, persistent baby. Let's show the samples. They're calling baby. Analyzing the wave. It makes me so bad. It makes me so bad. It makes me so bad. Analyzing the wave. It makes me so bad. And you should know that. So call me maybe.
Uy! Anyari sa'yo, babae ka? Wala? Ano ba iniisip mo? Ano yun? Secret.
Kinikilig.
Wala? Witness, oh.